Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an excellent website, in which you can easily design a logo within 5 minutes like these. The website name is Designhill. I have attached the website's link in the video description. You can visit the websites from the link, and can easily make logos within 5 minutes. So let's start the video. This is the free logo maker interface. From here, you can make your logo. First of all, you need to write your company name. I'm writing company name here, NetTech. Now click on Create Your Logo Now. After that, you will see this page. From here, pick best 5 logos that you like. Okay, I select the logo. I think these are beautiful for me. Okay, I have selected 5 logos. Now click on Continue. After that, you will see the page. From here, choose the best color plate that you like. I like the color plant, because the color indicate trust, loyalty, faith and confidence. Now click on Continue. And this is the final stage. Carefully fill up the condition. From here, select your industry. My logo is technology based, so I select the technology. Select your budget, suggest to select the maximum prices. Now select your company size, I select the maximum one. Okay, that's good. Now click on Continue. After that, you will see the page. From here, you can add symbol that you would like to include in your logo. I like to add these symbol. If you want, you can skip the step. Now click on Continue. And wait for a while, the logo is creating. Wow, my logo is ready. Now select the best one that you like. I think that logo suitable for my company. Now click on Edit Logo. Now you can see the page. From here you can easily customize your logo. I just skipped the step for making the video short. After customize your logo, now click on the Buy option. Now you can choose the perfect package for you. Select the best one for you. Currently they offering an exclusive offer. You use the above coupon code, you will get 20% discount on the current price. They also offering others design. If you want to purchase, just select which one you want, they will design your need. So friends, this is how you can design your logo very easily in very short time.